Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Suma. In today's video, we'll learn about prepositions. You'll learn what prepositions are, why we use them, their types, and simple examples. Let's begin. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. For example, the book is on the table. The cat is under the chair. The words on and under are prepositions. Why do we need prepositions? Prepositions help us show place, time, and direction. They make our sentences clear and complete. Without prepositions, sentences may sound incorrect or confusing. There are three common types of prepositions. They are prepositions of place, prepositions of time, prepositions of direction. Let's learn each one with simple examples. Prepositions of place tell us where something is. For example, the bag is on the chair. The dog is under the table. Prepositions of time tell us when something happens. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. We have a holiday on Sunday. Prepositions of direction tell us where someone or something is moving. For example, she walked into the room. They went to school. Let's look at some common mistakes. Remember, we say married to, not married with. We say arrived at school, not arrived to school. Now it's quiz time. Pause the video and choose the correct answers. How many did you get right? Let's quickly recap today's lesson. We learned what prepositions are, why they are important, and the three main types: place, time, and direction. Keep practicing to improve your English grammar. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English with Suma. In the next lesson, we'll learn conjunctions. See you in the next video. Happy learning!